Brittany here. Well, this time Chelsea is not with me. And I'm going to do the DIY that people have been commenting for me to do. So, for this DIY, you're going to need a brush, a hairdryer, and a pen or a pencil, something like that, okay? And then you're going to take, so my pen, I just love this one, has that little snap piece, and then you're going to want to take a little piece of hair, brush it straight, thing that you can like that. It's like a curl on it. Sure you have wrap around twice into that.
This is on Mix 1043. Go to Mix1043FM.com. On their grill, they're going to grill up some steaks. I say just grill.
Here I am. I'm back again, and well, I'm going to keep the wood for a couple of
An open phone line has been established by Community Tax for consumers to call and see if they qualify. Take down this number or store it in your cell phone, but call the Community Tax helpline at 800-624-5928. If you owe back taxes to the IRS and cannot afford to pay them back, or even if you have years of unfiled tax returns, there's no need to fear anymore.
Thank you for calling me, whoever it was. I don't know.
Helpline today
Well,
at
have a great day. See you guys later. Bye.
for the help that you need. Don't take